Hello friends, welcome to the new session where we are going to learn a new topic once again and we will solve them together. Any guesses what are we going to start today? We will be doing multiplication. Okay. So what do you mean by the term multiplication? Multiply, which means the same number you need to add again and again. Right. So the group of addition is called as multiplication. For example, I have two sets of pencil box, okay, and in each pencil box I have 5 pencils each. So what am I going to do? If I am going to add it, I will just count the total number and I will tell you the product, right? Whereas now here I am going to solve this using the multiplication form. So the first thing what I have done is I have grouped it into 2. Each group is having same number. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is group 2. So each group is having same number of quantity, right? So here what I will do is 5 into 2, which means 5 denotes the number of objects present in one group and 2 denotes the number of groups given. So 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So in multiplication, what is the first thing we will be doing? We will be grouping the same number of things together. The same quantity together. That is the first step which we will be doing in multiplication, right? What is the second step? Second step is use into symbol. Into is nothing but my cross, right? So use into symbol. So whenever you see this symbol of X or into, it shows that we need to multiply the product, okay? And the third point is multiply the groups along with items present in each group. So did you understand this point, children? What we need to do is we need to multiply the number of groups. For example, in this case, how many groups are there? There are 2 groups along with the number of items present in each group. So how many items are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means each group is having 5 items. So how will I multiply? The group number of items in each group multiplied by the number of group. This will give me the product. So the answer which you obtain, that is called as my product. Okay. So what are the major things which we see in multiplication, children? Here we will be using the into symbol. And the second thing is my answer is called as my product. Okay. So keeping these basic things in mind, the basic factors in mind, we will be solving the questions and see how fast we can solve them. So are you all ready, children?